Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best metal detectors of 2024. If you're a treasure hunter or hobbyist looking for hidden treasures, these metal detectors offer the perfect blend of sensitivity, depth, and ease of use. We'll explore the standout features, design, and detection capabilities that make each of these metal detectors a top choice for treasure hunters of all levels. Whether you're searching for buried coins, relics, or other valuable objects, you'll find the perfect metal detector for your needs here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. Noctis Metal Detector. The Noctis Metal Detector is a versatile, high-performance tool tailored for treasure hunters at all experience levels. This advanced device boasts cutting-edge technology, offering exceptional sensitivity and precise depth detection across a range of metals. Its ergonomic design ensures user comfort during extended use, while the intuitive interface simplifies operation, making it accessible even for beginners. The detector's adjustable settings and multiple search modes allow it to adapt seamlessly to various terrains and conditions, whether in urban environments or remote locations. Additionally, the Noctis is built to last, featuring a durable, water-resistant construction that can withstand harsh environments. Its reliability and robust performance make it an indispensable choice for serious detectorists seeking to uncover hidden treasures with ease and efficiency. Number 4. Garrett Ace Pro Metal Detector. The Garrett Ace Pro Metal Detector is a versatile and durable device designed for both novice and experienced treasure hunters. It features advanced electronics and an all-terrain design, making it suitable for use in various environments, including wet, humid, or dusty conditions. The detector offers Pro Mode audio, which provides more target information to help identify buried objects more accurately. It operates at a 15 kHz frequency for improved detection of small targets, such as coins, relics, and jewelry. With its digital target ID, users can quickly gauge the type of metal detected. The device also includes iron audio to help discriminate between valuable targets and junk metals, and it has a waterproof housing that allows for submersion in water up to 10 feet, ideal for shallow water searching. The Garrett Ace Pro is user-friendly with its intuitive interface and adjustable settings, providing an efficient and enjoyable metal detecting experience. Number 3. MinLaab Equinox 800. The MinLaab Equinox 800 is a versatile and high-performance metal detector ideal for enthusiasts and professionals alike, featuring multi-IQ technology for simultaneous multi-frequency operation that enhances target detection in varied ground conditions. It offers 4 modes: park, field, beach, and gold, each optimized for different terrains and targets, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. With its lightweight, ergonomic design, the Equinox 800 is comfortable for prolonged use, and its waterproof capability allows for underwater searches up to 10 feet. Advanced features such as adjustable threshold levels, customizable target tone profiles, and a precise target ID system provide detailed information about detected objects. Wireless audio and Bluetooth connectivity offer a seamless, cord-free experience with high-speed wireless headphones. The rechargeable battery supports extended detecting sessions, and the detector's robust construction ensures durability. The MinLaab Equinox 800 is a top choice for serious metal detecting enthusiasts, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features for an exceptional detecting experience. Number 3. Garrett Ace 400. The Garrett Ace 400 is an advanced metal detector that stands out in the realm of treasure hunting, catering to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. With its operational frequency set at 10 kHz, the Ace 400 provides superior sensitivity to a variety of targets, especially low and medium conductivity metals such as gold and lead. One of its key features is the digital target ID, which assigns a numerical value to detected objects on a scale of 0 to 99, allowing users to differentiate between types of metals with high accuracy. This feature is complemented by the iron audio function, which enables users to hear discriminated iron targets, improving the ability to distinguish valuable items from iron junk. Additionally, the detector's adjustable frequency helps to eliminate interference from other detectors or electrical sources, ensuring a smoother and more efficient detecting experience. Number 1. Hunter TK4. The Garrett Ace 400 is a top-of-the-line metal detector designed for treasure hunters of all skill levels, featuring a 10 kHz frequency for enhanced sensitivity to metals like gold and lead. It boasts digital target ID, iron audio, and adjustable frequency to minimize interference, providing precise metal differentiation. The user-friendly LCD screen displays target ID, depth, and battery level, while the electronic pinpointing function aids in accurate target location. With 5 search modes, zero disk, jewelry, custom, relics, and coins, and adjustable sensitivity and depth settings, it offers versatile operation across different ground conditions. Lightweight and ergonomically designed for extended use, the Ace 400 comes with a waterproof search coil, clear sound easy stow headphones, an ACE environmental cover-up, and a search coil cover, making it a comprehensive tool for any treasure hunting adventure. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.